Photobomb.
That's going to be on YouTube. Good morning, everybody. My name is Julio. Welcome to Tech Life. So much going on today. First group presentation.
1,000 feet. Stay to the left.
I'm headed to campus right now so I can go over the project one more time, make any changes that we might still need to make. It's a big day. It's a big day for Team Digital Sunshine, which is the name we gave ourselves. So hey, if you are new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. If you like seeing videos on, right now, my coding bootcamp experience, sometimes I make reviews on products that I think you would like to use, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, you know, all that other stuff. So I'm gonna try and make 2 videos in one today. I'm gonna kind of document presentation day as much as I can. And I also want to address a quick question. So the question that I want to address comes from Ruben Esquivel, and he says, good to see another person in Dallas, Texas, create a YouTube channel for web development. I was thinking about joining SMU Coding Bootcamp. Just curious, what made you decide to join a code bootcamp versus taking the self-taught route? Excellent question, Ruben, thank you. So let me address that real quick. I initially started the self-taught route. This is the reason that I did what I did. Your situation may be different. I started the self-taught route. I did Team Treehouse and all these other free resources that are out there, YouTube and everything. But my problem was that and it really was my problem, I was not dedicated enough. I didn't have the time, or I just didn't make the time every single day to learn the program. When I first started Treehouse, I was on fire every single day, doing really good, but over time I just couldn't keep up with the schedule that was required to really learn and implement what I was doing, especially once I got to JavaScript. I started it, I would stop, and then I would do it again. I would start skipping a day or two, and then I would skip a week, and then I'd go back, and of course I'd forgotten what I'd learned, and then I would stop again, and then I wouldn't do it for like a month or two, and then I'm back trying to learn how to do it. So it just wasn't going to happen. At one point, I think I actually even stopped for like 6 months, just not doing anything. And then I wanted to pick it back up. So I had completely forgotten everything about JavaScript. So I had to start all over and do it again. And then I just kind of fell back into the same cycle. Now, my reasons for that, I have a full-time career, I have a family, things came up all the time. You know, my wife didn't mind that I was learning how to code, but at the time she wasn't like, yeah, I want you to dedicate, 2-3 hours every single day to, programming. Going the self-taught route, I think, works really well if those types of things are not challenges in your life. If you just have to answer to yourself, you can dedicate all the time that you need and that you want to learning how to program every single day, then I think you should do it. Otherwise, it's probably going to be a little more difficult. I have no doubt that there are plenty of people that are in my situation that are able to do it, but it's still going to be difficult to get it done. If you have those challenges, and I hate calling family and stuff like that in life challenges. They're not challenges. They're challenges if you're trying to learn how to code. But if you have that and you were able to overcome it, man, more power to you. Leave me a comment. Let us know how you did it. I'm gonna record your dog because your dog is super cute. What's his name?
Hudson.
Hudson? Oh my gosh, can I pet him?
Oh, of course, he's really nice. This is very wet.
Oh, you were in the water, huh?
Oh, absolutely. There's like 4 other dogs by the fountain all
playing really?
together, and yeah, they've been playing for like an hour.
Holy cow, he's beautiful.
Thank you. Hudson, you ready?
I'll let you get back to where you're going. Good dog. So that's kind of, in a nutshell, why I didn't successfully complete the self-taught route. And when I finally made the decision to do a coding bootcamp, it made all the difference for me. Once I'm in the program, I don't really have a choice other than to dedicate all the time that I need to the program. One of the struggles that I had was that I was getting stuck in just tutorials and never really practicing the things I was learning. Being in the program, in the boot camp, is forcing me actually to build things with the technologies that I'm learning. I think that should hopefully answer Ruben's question. Let me know if you are considering going the self-taught route versus the coding bootcamp and why. Back to Starbucks for some coffee. I just want a grande coffee of the day with no room, please. All right, guys, so I'm kind of freaking out a little bit because I am having issues with my code and causing me frustration because I'm 2 hours away from presenting. This right here is my main issue right now that I'm trying to solve. All right, guys, about an hour left. Walking into the building. I'm gonna meet up with my team and we're gonna go over the project. And you guys can see that in just a little while.
Legion Board Hub, bringing all of your digital entertainment into one convenient location.
This right here was just one of the issues that I came across and, for the teams that used Firebase authentication. One thing to notice is that once you are actually registered, those two buttons that log out of my favorites are now visible, which were not visible initially. And the users, once they log in, the database is going back to Firebase authentication, is grabbing the display name and then adding that to the database so that it knows which user has